In this class, let's learn about troubleshooting scenarios of Autopilot V2. One of the OOBE related event, you can see CXID OOBE region. This node has been called to process the regional settings. Where are the exact details you can check about the regional settings? If you go ahead and open C Windows, Panther and unattended GC folder, and if you open up setup account log file, this is the Windows setup log file. If you open up that, you would be able to see the details. On this setup account log file, if you search for commit region keyword, you can see commit region 113, that means India region is selected over here. For each region, you will have a different number, and there's a Microsoft documentation available to understand this. Let me tell you, this is where the authentication screen will appear in the V2. Over there you need to enter the username and password. That is where you can see this particular event log under. So this is where we can see OOBE client configuration succeed or not. So this is under device management enterprise, and if you go to enrollment, you can see that whether OOBE, the base client configuration of MDM, is done or not. So this is the Intune client if you are using Intune as a MDM server. This is where you see that IME installation status in the V2 provisioning screen. So if you go to Microsoft and then provisioning, under provisioning you can see autopilot settings. In autopilot settings, autopilot device prep hint. At the moment this is 0. This is where you can see the status of IME install or IME download, that is Microsoft Autopilot. So it would be somewhere here, Autopilot, Bootstrapper agent. If I open Bootstrapper agent, service log provider. So this is the new event log which we need to look into, and if you understand this process, you will be expert in a V2 Autopilot V2 provisioning troubleshooting. So hope this helps. Thank you very much.